vatsonga va ka hina manyangazi the commissar lungisa subscribe and kombela subscriber subscription ya wena nkoka swinene. So a lot of people ask me what's my opinion about Khalanga production, because this production just came and boom, yo man, and I'm gonna relate it to the artist of Khalanga. So kombela mi yingisela hi vukheta na vurhon'wana na ku twisisa this video. It's not an insult, it's just my opinion, it's just my conspiracy theory around Khalanga production. Xin'wanyana ni vona ala vatsonga va Khalanga va pfuka nampundzu va kwere risimu leriya ra swakulunga swakulunga man xitimeleni wa driver na ka valungu risimu leriya ra DJ Nomza na Kabza the DJ Tabza the DJ mfana loyi a nga tlanga album ya Mr Post hi December leya ya moya wa December, and I believe I was part of the production team ya Kangalas, but so sure to come ku angara as Kangalas. So they are the ones who released that song at ya work ya Lumka Valungu. So I had a chance to speak to one of them, and they told me wakume deal, and this deal ya Kasoni, the song will be available again Friday. Ka Sony Music. So the agreement because they will take 20% of that song revenue raise that song ya ka ba moto wa Tenet. I don't know ita ya ka Universal Music or ita ya ka ba moto wa Tenet, but that agreement ya ko 20% ita ya ka the original creator of the song, who is Peter Tenet. That is his last album, I believe it was released in 1996. So let me get into my theory about Khalanga production. Khalanga production, I think it was founded by Musa Baloyi, and that man I should go for him. Magaku bashilo ku bela ngopfu ka strategy xa ku tirhisa mali ngopfu ka Gaza, ku tirhisiwa vutlhari laya. That man should monetize the entire game ya Xitsonga music na ku endla mali. The most important thing I should notice at the events that Khalanga production, I go spend the mile or display a power. No, it's to make profit. It's to make profit. How? No, go check out the team Khalanga production. And it's an entire team. Already the team in one never used to go by the shop such. No revenue. Already kuna one never spoke one ibachin. Or already kuna bana ba sitwa kula wa madana the technical test style. Already kuna bana ba sitwa ku already la wada dra marketing. And I'm gonna mention some of the people laba ntongo Khalanga shiba teki shiba chela ka Khalanga production strategically. When Khalanga production took in Kakashi, it was a strategy. What strategy? Kakashi currently has the power within the Tsonga entertainment. It's so simple to market anything like Maka Khalanga production, and it's so simple. Kukumanawan Wangayan where are in a relationship na Khalanga at a less price, na Nagagashi at a less price, and there's no need to the technical issues to climb the Wukuri approach because battery and Karole. Even another thing, not artist, litigation at Landa Daman strategically. I will in that is of another gap. I will in that is to find I believe they're in a relationship I believe they're in a relationship na J John. For what people does this serve? I am one Mtakaro wana single launch. Loko wana single launch wana Mtakaro loko va ramba gap na J John or shama combo awana single launch. Loko aramba gap aramba gap na J John. Angava rambi at their normal rates. Angava rambi at their normal rates. Ilesha sha music wa Xitsonga, if you are an entertainer, you know it. So utanwisela back the favor. Leswi vula ku ayengo vanhu va Mtakoro va endla launch ya vona akara launch. Loko va ramba gap va nga n'wi nyika 2000 just for transportation. Na the cost tin'wana tin'wanyana leti ti nga ta depend ka ku u va kha suka kwini. Swi vula ku loko Khalanga production ya endla an event i rhamba vanhu va Mtakaro, kumbexani yi rhamba xa makhombo or whosoever a nga le ka relationship na Gap na J John va ta n'wi nyika the very same amount leyi va nga nyika artist ya vona in return. No twisisa sweswo swi vulaka swi khata ti-cost ta yini, swi khata ti-cost ta ti-bookings ta ti-artist to tala. Swi vula ku Khalanga production sweswiwani loko hi teki Benny Joe na Prince swi loko hi nga endla event hi ti-artist ta yona na ti-relationship ntsena ku va ku ri hava na artist leyi va nga overspend because va 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 ri hansi ka umbrella leyi nga yini ya Khalanga production. Let me give you an example about the upcoming event ya Benny, Prince na Joe. The details are not yet clear what the relationship is about and the terms and conditions team, but surely it's about profit sharing. If they're sleeping together, if they're going to bed together, the people poison a Khalanga production, it means they are going in bed for profit, high for sponsorship, because Khalanga is a businessman. Khalanga production is in business. It's not into sponsoring lifestyles and everything. It's a businessman. This is for sure. That is I can tell you who have worked with him. The guy is a businessman. He's business minded. He's profit driven. So which means that he can run an event. He Benny Prince na Joe. He va teka artist yena ku nga vanhu nga Gap, ku na mani ku na Sinampaka, ku na Gijima, ku na J John. Ivi lava vo Gap va nga ha va chena ka vona. Now, about Gap Banga, I change a couple of from Takaro, they have relationship, they can come at a lesser price. Which Makabo can come at a lesser price because they have a relationship with this artist. If you look at social media, Kunabo Kakashi, and there are so many people who are being captured. Babo Ben Chingo, show and Shilu, someone is gonna post it. Are influencer. So Khalanga has keys to each and every door through the people that he has surrounded himself with, through Benny Joe, Prince Kwarba, at OG sta game. Xikomi game le kwa xikomi genge le kwa also umani unamali kuxitula unamali kuxitula, but through the people that he has captured, the people that he is working with, the people that he has a relationship with within the game, xikomi game le kwa the entire game. Now, you must think, some of you, or what favor, one or Mayengani to favor, one or Rhangani to favor. That's the time that they're going to call on those favors. The mastermind being Khalanga. So the guy is very intelligent. He has taken this opportunity, and this opportunity is a missed opportunity. Breaking should have been this far, but they missed it. He's gonna create an empire, this guy, and he's quite strong, and he's gonna leave a legacy. The power that he has within the mind, not man. Mali you but I'm just reading his intelligence. The guy is fucking intelligent. Carrying them. She come you game stronger. Almost everyone. Nalabanga mad. She was coming, nalabanga close na ubin. Benny can call in for favors, but under Khalanga production with the relationship that they have now, one call. You can move a game and music question. And for sure, could have the tour, not that event, the Liverpool poison. Kumakuto, Benny couldn't dollars to Akula. I can call one call, I can make an event. Joe couldn't dollars to Akula. One call, I can get the venue for an event. The Prince, Nayan. I should not have got one call, I can get a venue at a less price or at no cost at all. So the entire game just one ilimo going madaman ngehlamani lokushendla the awards and other stuff, because there's now captured the stronger music. Stronger music ilimo going madaman. It was on okay manyangas to come so subscribe and go subscribe. I believe in but you can, if you have an opinion or you feel like not someone gonna say, you can write it while I got the comment box. And Mr. Post because the entire game will be captured to the poison. But anyways, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to include him. You're right. Sharp.